I am very, very, very excited to let you know that we now have Berkeys in stock and ready to ship within 48 hours. This is a big announcement because we have orders that are literally 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 weeks back ordered. But these orders, these systems in my website are now in stock with the manufacturer. I'm able to order them directly and get them shipped within 48 hours. So let me explain the new quick ship program we have on the LDS Prepper store. Anything that says quick ship means it is in stock and will ship within 48 hours from the manufacturer, which in this case is Berkey. We also have the safe seed banks in stock, all of them. And while they last, we still have some number 10 can sealer machines here in stock. But let me go over the Berkey Quick Ship program. Everything that we have listed here under Quick Ship is in stock and will ship. So let's just go into here, show you how this Quick Ship program works. Anything with the title Quick Ship will ship within 48 hours. All orders of $100 or more are free shipping. There is an extra fee for the Quick Ship program. I'm absorbing that fee for you because I think it's absolutely critical that we have water filtration and that we can get it now while they're available. Supply chains are limited, but anything listed here with Quick Ship is in stock. As with most of my products, I give you a personal note what I think about this product, a complete description, and you have the exclusive LDS Prepper Store Berkey full lifetime warranty, and I can offer that to you as an authorized Berkey dealer. If you have any questions on any of these systems, you have my phone number right here. Just call me anytime between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Here I mentioned don't forget to order your stainless steel stands and base and sight glass spigots and fluoride and arsenic filters. We do have the fluoride and arsenic filters in stock, but we don't have the stainless steel stand and base right now in the quick ship program. Let me show you why. Because it's simply out of stock. I can't order it from Berkey right now. So if I don't have the stainless steel stand or base or sight glass spigots listed on my site, they're just not available. I'd rather you get your water purification system now, and let's get the other things later when they're available. But the most important thing is that you have the ability to filter your water. It's extremely important. There is one caveat to this quick ship program, and that is that you have a maximum purchase of one system type per order and up to 4 elements per order and up to 8 sports bottle per order. That means on one order, you could order any Berkey system I have here, up to 4 additional elements. So this one comes with either 2 or 4 elements. You just select the element number that you want. You can also add on top of that, you could order, for example, 4 elements here. In addition, you could add 4 additional elements and 8 sport bottles or any combination of that. Once you have that your items selected, for example, if you want to get a Big Berkey with 2 elements, you just click the Buy Now button. That takes you to the cart, shows you what your purchase is, and you can just continue shopping. If you wanted to add, say, for example, some fluoride elements here, these are in the quick ship program, so you can add those to your order. All orders over $100 have free shipping, so that's your total cost. You just go ahead and go to checkout and complete your order. You can also add any additional items to your order, like seed banks, which are in stock, the Berkey Sports water bottle, my wife's herbal books, and of course the Mittleider gardening course book, micronutrients, and the Titan solar generator. If you haven't seen the Titan solar generator, I definitely take a look at this. But what I want to tell you for sure is that as of this video, we now have the quick ship program enabled on my website. Any item that says quick ship will ship within 48 hours guaranteed. So if you've been looking for a Berkey water filtration system, you haven't been able to find them because they're just impossible to get from the manufacturer. You can now order them immediately from my website and they'll get shipped within 48 hours. I'm very, very excited for that. I've been very frustrated for my customers who've had to wait. If you've already placed an order, don't cancel your order. Your order is in the queue and it will get shipped as soon as it gets to the front of the queue. This quick ship program is for all new Berkey orders from the LDS Prepper store. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. The most important physical item I have for my preparedness is my Berkey water filtration system. More people die in the world from tainted water than all other causes of death combined. Having clean water is so important. Get your Berkey water purification and filter system at the LDS Prepper store as soon as possible.